Right, so let's assign our devices to the circuits we created in the panel. First circuit was the lighting system, living room and kitchen. So you could choose this one. Two-way, the double pole switch. Circuit number one. Choose your panel. Okay. Circuit number two. Kitchen outlets. Circuit number three, if I'm not mistaken, is the bathroom lighting. Check this out. Panel manager. The three is the cooker unit, and four is the bath light. Now this, you can see the red light here. This means that either we have exceeded the circuit breaker rating, or we have exceeded the 80% rating. As you know, you should always make the circuit run maximum of 80% of the circuit breaker capacity. Just do quick calculations here. So let's assume the power factor is 1. 6,000. So that's around 20. That's way exceeding the circuit breaker. So the 26 amps are run on a 20 amp circuit breaker. So here we have two options. Either we distribute the load, for example, we add one socket in the kitchen to another circuit, or perhaps we could increase the circuit breaker. And the third circuit is the cooker unit. Let's just do the cooker unit. Next is the lighting system. We have to lower or increase the rating for it. The next, the bath water heater. Next are the sockets, the weatherproof one, balcony and the shaver outlet. Still have the balcony lights, the living room sockets. Balcony lights, two fluorescent lights, two three-way switches, so we can control both lighting from inside or outside the flat. Finally, living room sockets. Okay, as expected, so we're gonna make this 20.